Yeah, man, I'm about to give y'all a little something, you know what I mean? It's a little freestyle, you feel me? Hope y'all can understand it though, cause it's in Somali. Your boy L's up. Somali boys do it, so you know we get live. Can't you get that through your mother? I go harder than some dagger. Hottest in my city, ask that nigga young mother. I got my trap doing numbers like cold lover sector. Shawty got a double, but it look like a number. Then she digging on the kid, cause she heard I was from Hamada. That boy Qatar, my chick named Ada. My girl got a girlfriend, my gubber got a cover. Some call me L, some Lee Dan. Yeah, the best thing for Somalia and C at Buddy. CPA still toting them Glocks. Old heads on the block, still chewing on jazz. I'm hot like hat in a hot cup of shash. Hating on me, that's bad for your Hoya. Don't blame me, cause I'm selling like my apple. $25, daddy, get you some good apple. Pockets on swole, your shit look apple. You ain't getting money, stop lying. You got the baddest bitch in the game. I show the rap game until I eat it like Boston. Damn, and that was just a little sample for y'all. That's how y'all gon' get.